Hello everyone. My name is Nietzsche, and where I live, we are getting ready for Christmas. But first, let's take some time to learn the days of the week. Monday. Monday. It's Monday. It's Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. It's Thursday. It's Thursday. Friday. Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. Saturday. Saturday. It's Saturday. It's Saturday. Sunday. Sunday. It's Sunday. It's Sunday. Let's review what we've learned. Monday. Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. Friday. Friday. Saturday. Saturday. Sunday. Sunday. You are doing wonderful. Let's go inside and learn a little bit more.
Hello everyone, it's wonderful to see you. We're going to learn 3 very important words. Today. Today. In Thai, you say wan ni. In English, we say today. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. It's Monday today. It's Monday today. Today is a wonderful day. Today is a wonderful day. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. In Thai, you say prun ni. In English, we say tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. It's Tuesday tomorrow. It's Tuesday tomorrow. It will snow tomorrow. It will snow tomorrow. Yesterday. Yesterday. In Thai, you say ma wan. In English, we say yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday. It was Sunday yesterday. It was Sunday yesterday. Great job. Let's go over our new words again. Today. Today. tomorrow, tomorrow. Yesterday, yesterday. Great job. Remember to be good to your parents and teachers. And I'll see you on Christmas Day. Bye bye for now.